Hello everyone. So if you want to use gestures on your Motorola Razr 50, or first of all, let's enable them. So to do that, you are to open up your settings. Here you are to scroll down to your gesture tab, open it up, and here is a list of all of your gestures. So let's see and go through each of them. So the first one is system navigation. You can choose whether to use gestures or 3-button navigation, of course. You can enable your sidebar if you want to. Now if you're gonna swipe it from the edge of your screen, you will open up your little sidebar. One-handed mode, you can enable it and disable it. Swipe to split, so if you enable it, if you're gonna do these gestures and you're gonna swipe from one side of your screen to another like this, you're gonna open up your split mode. Great job. And as you see, it worked. So it may not work from the first time, however, simply keep on doing that. The next thing is our 3-finger screenshot. So if it is enabled to capture in screenshot, we are to swipe down from the top of your screen with the 3 fingers and the screenshot is gonna be made. Let's do this, just like this. All right, let's go to the other gestures. So double press to launch camera. So if you're gonna double press the power key, you either can choose none, or as you see, it launches our camera. All right, let's go further. So as for the next one, we have to slide on power key. So choose this option, enable this option, and now you can choose what it's gonna do. You can use slide down on power key for quick settings and notifications, which looks like this, right? Kind of cool. Or you can use zoom. So swipe up to zoom up, to zoom in, and slide down to zoom out. It works with camera, maps, and photos. And also here you can adjust your slide intensity. All right, the next thing is to press and hold your power button. So open it up, and here you can choose what it's gonna do, either summon a power menu or digital assistant. So for example, let's choose power menu as I have it already. Now if we're gonna hold it, as you see, it summons our power menu. All right, the next feature is our media controls. So you can use your volume keys to go to your previous track or to skip to the next track where the screen is off. All right, the next thing is quick launch. So if you're gonna activate our quick launch, it's gonna trigger some custom actions. So to set up an action, simply press on this gear icon, and here you can choose what it's gonna do. For example, take screenshot or open up a screen recorder. So let's try it. Make sure to pull off this part of your screen, and now you're gonna double tap. We have it once again on screenshot. So yeah, as you see, it worked. So I just made my screenshot by double tapping on my back part of the phone. Next thing is quick capture. So you are to twist your wrist twice to open the camera. So it looks like this. It works in both modes, when the phone is flipped or when it's open. For example, let's flip it. And now if we're gonna do this, as you see, it just opened up our camera, just like this. All right, let's unlock it. And let's enter our settings once again. Now, as for the fast flashlight, so choose this option. Now you can turn on the flashlight or you can turn it off by 2 chopping motions. This feature works with the flip, open and closed. So just like this. Also, you can set up a vibration. So as you see, whether it's gonna vibrate when the flashlight turns on and off. And here you can see a preview, or how do you do that. So let's try it out. 1, 2. Exactly, 1, 2. Worked perfectly. So the last 4 features are left to unlock. So you can unlock your phone by picking it up and looking it on the screen. All right, however, you must ensure to enable your face unlock before using this feature. The next thing is pick up to silence. So you can silence the ringer during incoming calls by picking up the phone, just like this. Alarms also can be silenced. Approach to silence. So silence the ringer by bringing your hand close to external display and then pulling it away. And last but not least is flip for D&D. You can block notifications and calls and messages by turning your phone face down. You'll still hear the alarms in your do not disturb mode. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.